The typewriter appeared on my doorstep one rain-soaked evening, battered and humming with a faint metallic rattle. No note, no explanation, just the weight of its keys begging to be pressed. I set it on my desk, curiosity outweighing caution. As my fingers hovered above the keys, the air grew colder, sharper, as if the room itself was holding its breath. I typed my name. The keys struck with a natural force, each clack echoing like a warning. Instantly, a whisper slithered from the carriage. "You belong to me." The room dimmed, shadows stretched and writhed along the walls, twisting into shapes that seemed almost alive. I tried to stand, but my legs refused to obey, frozen in place. Desperately, I typed for help, but the machine jammed, bleeding thick black ink onto my trembling hands. The whisper grew louder, morphing into a voice I recognized, my own but twisted, distorted, echoing from the typewriter. "Write your ending." My fingers moved on their own, trembling yet unstoppable, spelling out, "He vanished without a trace." As the final letters struck, my reflection flickered in the window, replaced by a hollow-eyed stranger grinning back. The typewriter fell silent. On the paper, my name faded, letter by letter, until nothing remained.